Good morning, futures traders. This is David on August 22nd, Monday, 2022. I just hit the NQ, for a move up and a move down. So, it's moving so fast. So, let's see here. I'm going to turn that back on. I haven't turned oil on. See what we got on the ES here. See if we can get that. Let's see here how oil is looking.
Order submitted.
We better concentrate. Yeah, the NQ is up again. All right, get back down there. Oh yeah, flush it out. 12s, 11. Let's see some 11s. There we go. 10s, 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 10s. 10s and it's going down. 13, 12, 10. There we go. There we go. 9s. Stay with 10s.
Order canceled.
9 is right at that threshold.
Order filled.
Yep. A little bounce. A little bounce because that is the daily low, the 13,005. So let's see if it's going to bounce up now. I'll leave the ES on. It's all red from that point on down. So it blew through that level. Pulled back, went back down, blew past that level. The daily low is 13,005. I don't know if it's going to make it. Seller's got to cover. This is them covering their sells. See if the buyers come in with it. Some days the NQ is just your bread and butter. Oil. I don't get up soon enough to watch oil in the morning, 8 o'clock. Yeah, they're buying back. They're covering. Oh yeah, they're really covered. The buyers are jumping on top. Here's the level right there. $33. Oh yeah, buyers are jumping in. There's another big level. We're right at it, 13,041. Right here. See how it reacted to that?
Order submitted.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Okay. See, the thing is, as I'm at my 10 grand mark, and we're only in 10 minutes. So let's take a look at the strategy performance. Yeah, $489. So we're roughly at $9,000. 99, 100%. 318,000 for the month. I think I'm going to take that. Could have wound up for another one here too. But I'll take that. All right. Thank you for watching, and I will keep making the videos.